Step into your power, feel it rise. No more hiding, no more compromise.